Be careful not to lose it in the spray. Keep it steady. The track's really slick here.
I see the clearing up ahead. Stay left of that big pine. The trail ahead is completely flooded.
We'll need to go slow.
I see it up there, the hidden campsite.
Just keep climbing.
The GPS says bear left, just past that fallen log.
Copy. Hold tight. Here we go.
The incline looks good here. We'll be above the flow.
The storm won't stop, but at least we're cozy. This setup is perfect, ready for anything.
The camera's dry now.
Good. Let's get these blankets set up before it gets colder.
That fan is really helping. The rain is wild. Let's get this stove ready. Wow, look at the spread. I'll secure the table first.
Perfect. The screen's done.
Let's make this steak amazing.
Smells incredible. It's gonna be perfect. Smells incredible. Just need a few more minutes on the corn. Yeah. Perfect. It's so cold, the soup will warm us up. This is incredible. This is incredible. It's perfect. The storm makes it even better.
Hold that tight.
Got it, it's securing.
Drainage is clear here. Looks good.
We've got this. The storm is intensifying.
Setup is solid.
Smells incredible.
Just needed this.
Watch the drop on the left, it's winning.
It is, isn't it?
I could listen to this forever.
Don't worry, I brought plenty of chocolate. The storm's holding its course. Drainage is perfect. We're secure. Keep wiping down that box.
We're almost ready.
Don't forget the lantern. Wow, this is incredible. Look at the water moving so fast. Unbelievable. The drone is capturing it perfect. I love this game.
Me too, especially in a storm like this.
It's so cozy in here.
The rainfall intensity is critical, and the river is rising fast.
We need to monitor the weather station data closely. The wind speed is picking up.
Keep an eye on the battery levels, dear. Copy that. These straps are holding tight.
Cheers to this adventure. To us.
This is perfect.
Smells incredible.
It's perfect for this weather.
Hand me a slice of turkey. Almost there.
Got it?
Nice. Secure.
The river's risen significantly since last night. Mark the pole. The campsite's still safe, but we should monitor it closely.
Look at this. It's unreal.
Try not to touch them all at once.
But they're so beautiful.
Keep it steady. This water is deep.
Got it. Watch the roots.
Keep it steady through the stream.
Almost through.
Watch that drop off.
We're clear.
Wow, this is incredible. Look at that view. Absolutely breathtaking. The rain is just unbelievable. The rain hasn't stopped for a second.
It's relentless, but look at this lake.
I'm getting the ripples. Get the drone over the mist.
Keep it steady, there's a drop off ahead.
Wow, look at those waterfalls. Wow, this is incredible. Yeah, look at those ripples. Ready for launch? Go for it.
The visibility is getting worse. Stay focused, the trail should be clear up ahead.
The drone is stable, heading into the mist.
Be careful not to lose it in the spray.
I've got it, look at that view.
The climb is getting treacherous.
Hold on tight.
That waterfall is immense.
Just a little further to the summit.